Hi everyone, welcome to Essy Cooks. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make my favorite vegan tropical protein smoothie. We are going to be making this one with mango, and I'm going to be making a portion here for 2 people. So I'm going to add in 2 cups of coconut milk. You can use any plant-based milk, but coconut milk is going to give it a little bit more of a tropical kind of a flavor. And then I'm going to add in some vanilla protein powder. I have a pea protein powder, so 2 scoops of that. And then I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of hemp hearts. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Now, if you're going to be making this for one person, just simply put in half the amount of the ingredients that I'm putting in here, and it will make 1 serving. So I've got all my seeds in there. Now, my secret ingredient, which makes this so delicious and it's so good for your digestion, is ginger. So I put 2 tablespoons of minced ginger. Then I'm going to put 2 cups of frozen mango or fresh mango that is chopped up. Then I'm just going to put the lid on the blender, and I'm just going to blend that up until it is nice and smooth and creamy. Now, the color on this isn't necessarily the best, but the flavor is on point. It is so good. This is such a tropical tasting smoothie. My husband actually says this kind of tastes like almost like Fruit Loops a little bit, which is so weird, but it is so delicious. That mango, vanilla, ginger flavor just is my absolute favorite. So I hope you guys love this smoothie as much as we do. And if you like this video, just make sure you hit that like and subscribe.